Hey there, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to complete assignments for Cadet Band through Schoology. So I'm on my Schoology, the main page, and it lists the classes that I have. Your student will have the classes that they are taking. So I'm going to go ahead and click over on the Cadet Band page and open it up. And we have a lot of different things in here. We have material list, calendar, handbook, lesson plans, so you can go in and see what has been done each week. And then we have Cadet Band Jedi, and that is where our assessments are that need to be completed. Additional materials, handouts are in this folder here. We also have sheet music from class, so if you're missing anything, this is a good place to get that. Additional things that we have, I don't know if you need anything here, but holiday concert videos, so if you want to see that, that's also there. So to find the assessments that need to be completed, you're going to click on this folder here that says Cadet Band Jedi. And in this, we have instructions on how to run a test. We have the Q2 checkoff sheet, so you can see in one spot exactly what needs to be done for each test. And then we have here each test that needs to be completed. Only have to go all the way up to Jedi Master. So Youngling, Padawan, Jedi Knight, Jedi Master, and Jedi Grandmaster are the 5 level tests that need to be completed. These Band Samurai, those are extra credit, so they do not need to be done. So let's say you're going to do one of these tests. You're going to click on the name of the test. And it has the instructions. This one says you must complete all required steps in order to complete this level. All notes and rhythm must be correct. The good tone in order to pass. So step 1 says demonstrate from the warm-up packet, interval practice 1. That can be found in the sheet music folder. Playing with appropriate slurs. And then it has instructions for percussion. Step 2 would be the next part of the test to record. Demonstrate measures 41 through 46 in the song Santa's Angry Elves, also can be found in the sheet music folder. Playing correct notes, rhythm, and then there's the percussion instructions. Step 3, demonstrate song number 9 in the Essential Elements Band book, and then the percussion instructions. So that is what needs to be completed. Now some students will do all 3 of these steps in one video. Some students prefer to do one video for each step. My thought is, I don't care how I get the work as long as I get the work. So whatever your student needs to do to be most successful at completing it is totally fine with me. And then what you want to do is click here for the flip link to do the recording. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to redirect. So you're going to click to go there. And then you're going to select continue with Microsoft. And then it's going to ask for you to put in your school email. And I'm going to select mine. And then that's going to take you right to the test. It has the instructions that I just read here as well. So if you need to look at them again for your steps, they are here. And then all you do is click record. And then that'll set up for you to record. Once you're finished recording, you'll click next. And then publish. And then once you see the fireworks at the end, you'll know that it is uploaded and complete, and then I will be able to see it and grade it. So that's how you complete each level test. If for some reason Flip is not working or you're having a hard time, there's a couple things you want to check. If you're doing this from a laptop or desktop, it should be able to pop you right on over and right on through. If you're trying to complete this from a phone or tablet, you'll need to have the Flip app so that it has something to connect to, because it's not going to connect to just nothing if you don't have the app installed for Flip. But again, that's only if you're using the phone version or tablet version to complete the assignment. All right, so if that doesn't work, you can always, now on your student version, under submissions, you can click, there will be a button that says submit assignment. You can always click on that and it'll let you attach a video that way, and you can just record right from there and turn it in that way. This is a flip is not working. And then I can get your video that way. If that's not working, if you go up to the little envelope up here and you want to, you can send it to me as a message. So you just click new message. And then down here, you can attach a file, a link, resource, or here where it says audio video recording. So you could always just send me a video that way and it'll pop up the recorder right through here, right in Schoology. So again, those are 3 different options to get them turned in. If you get stuck on any of this, please reach out, let me know, and I will be happy to help you through the best that I can, and we'll get you caught up. But that's how you complete a test, which are our assessments, and there are 5 for card marking. So the end of the card marking is next Friday, so anything that is missing we'll need before then. But again, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to walk you through it. Thank you.